Welcome back to the channel. So today I am working on the Cabby again. It has some quarter panel damage, so I went to Harbor Freight, picked up one of their nifty dent repair soldering welding kit. That's what it looks like. Slide hammer, spot weld gun, lots of pins, and so I've been sanding the car so far. Got all the paint off, and this is what it looks like. I don't know how to tell you, see how wobbly that is, but it's pretty caping. So I will attempt to do it yourself repair job. So let me get this set up, plugged in, and I'll set up the camera. So I am using the 3mm studs. And so far, it has pulled the dent out. I point that. There we go. So they actually stick. So let's try that again. Slide hammer is interesting. Has this little offset grabby wheel. Let's grab the stud. All the time, but hey, for $100, not bad. So far, looks like it's pulled out pretty good, especially up here. Just need to grind down the heads. Fortunately, this panel is way tossed, so I don't think I'm going to be able to pull it out. Someone tried pushing it out from the rear, caused a bunch of weird high spots and taking of the metal and junk like that. So yeah, there's going to have to be some body filler going on, and should be good, it's new. So back to work. So this is like day 4 of body working. There, let's get the backlighting. So as you see, actually looks pretty good. I still got to wet sand it. There's some pinholes I need to fill. I don't know if I really want to try to use that red spot filler stuff because I hear it shrinks a lot. But yeah, it's coming along. So I lucked out back in the day. I picked up this planer. It was on sale, amazingly, for $7 or $7.77. Oh yeah, $7.77. So yeah, I've been at this for a couple days, on and off. Yeah, I don't know if I want to try to match it white or go blue like the bug because using this tape here, mask it off, it just kind of popped. I know it's loud, obnoxious, very BMW-ish, but hey, eye-catching. So once I'm done with the body work, gotta come over here, maybe repolish up the VR6 intake, because it was polished at one point. This is a California bar legal swap. So it came out of I think 97 or 98 Jetta. So 5-speed VR6. So it actually it's fairly quick for what it is. Like in other videos, you know, got the Audi TT brakes on there. Gotta fix the air conditioning. I think the blender door, the foam's missing, so it doesn't, well, it's blending all the hot air with the cold air. Other than that, it is, I think it looks pretty good. So, another hour, should be dry enough to start wet sanding, and I'll take it from there. So after a couple days messing around with this, sanding, bondoing, stuff like that, I think it came out fairly nice. No more huge lumpy lumps. It's not perfect, you know, there's flaws here and there. But hey, for 150 bucks, why not? So now the car looks respectable. It's not all chewed up. Yep. Damn, eyeshadow. So, bunch of duplicate color stuff. If you're out there, hey, I need more. So, their primer, their self-etching primer, their original Volkswagen color, their clear for their top coat. Yes, did it all on the cheap using that stuff. Yeah, you're not supposed to paint a whole car with it, but it is what it is. You know, took it down to the metal, use a self-etching primer, protect it. Then when I was done with the high build primer and stuff like that, use the sealer. Then the color paint. Yay! And there you go. No more wibble wobble, super crinkled, potato chip looking stuff. Is it a perfect match? No, this car's been repainted a couple times, but it doesn't look terrible. Once again, not too shabby. Now the rest of the car is filthy, so once I wash it and maybe clay bar it, it'll brighten up and may not even notice. Once again, the paint is not perfect, but then again, I really don't care. It's at least fixed. And once again, why am I going through so much work for a Cabby is, if I can find the latch. Oh, come on. This one has a VR6 swap. That's bar legal. And I fixed the air conditioning, so the air conditioning works. Had to, unfortunately, remove the whole dash. So that's all out of the car. And F Volkswagen wiring. That's a pain in the ass. So whoever had this car decided to use the red 3M putty to try to seal the AC vents together with a bunch of yellow sponge. They were using, nope, that's not it. Anyways, that stuff dried up. Anytime you turn on the vent, it would blow shit into your eyes. And why the AC wasn't working was because Volkswagen decided to have huge holes in their diverter doors with foam on it. Well, that was back in 1995, and now that foam is what, 22 years old? Well, it's gone. So the heater and the AC were all blending together and not working. So I took some aluminum tape. I was able to reach in there. Aluminum tape, yes, great stuff. And seal up the doors. So now when you turn on the AC, it actually blows AC and not just warm to very hot air depending on how much you've been driving this thing. Because VR6s like to get hot. So oil cooler, which I have, may be the next thing on this list to do once I get the dash together. So I got one of these. This one's off of Volvo, but whatever. Free is free. Then I got the sandwich plate right there. And a bunch of other Volkswagen stuff. And yeah, you put in some time, and you know, you don't have to spend, you know, $1,000 or $2,000. You know, yeah, I probably should have painted the whole effing car, but you know what? I got 3 kids and no time. So thanks for watching. Don't be scared to take on tasks yourself. What's the worst that happens? You know, paying full price for it. So subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Got any suggestions of what you may want to see? Let me know. What else is going on? That's it for now. So thanks for watching. Bye.